Hey there, I'm Alex, and I'm super excited to welcome you to the Green Revolution. Together, we're going to explore how each of us can make a real difference for our planet, starting right now. So, let's get started. You know, it's never been more important to think about sustainability. Our choices today shape the world we'll live in tomorrow. From climate change to pollution, the challenges are big, but honestly, so are the opportunities for positive change. Here's the thing. Small changes in our daily lives can add up to a huge impact, whether it's using less plastic, saving energy, or just being mindful of how we shop. Every little bit counts. Let's see how easy it can be to start making a difference, one step at a time. Okay, so have you ever wondered what really goes on behind the scenes of the fast fashion industry? Well, honestly, it's pretty shocking. Every year, billions of pieces of clothing are produced, and most of them end up in landfills. The environmental impact is huge, and the people making these clothes often work in tough conditions for really low wages. It's kind of wild how something as simple as a t-shirt can have such a big footprint. But hey, it's not all bad news. There are so many everyday eco-heroes out there making a difference, from students organizing clothing swaps, to families choosing secondhand, and even local designers creating sustainable fashion lines. These folks are, showing us that small actions can totally add up. It's super inspiring to see regular people leading the way. So you might be thinking, what can I actually do? Well, honestly, there are lots of ways to get involved. You could start by buying less and choosing quality over quantity. Maybe try repairing your clothes or, donating what you don't wear anymore. Even sharing what you've learned with friends can help spread the word. Every little bit counts, really. At the end of the day, we're all in this together. If we each make small changes, those choices add up to something big. So, let's keep learning, keep sharing, and keep pushing for a more sustainable future. Together, we can totally make a difference.